The boys will try to hit a million K up on that.
Alright, sup cuckers. So, you saw us unbox the wheels, but you haven't seen us put them on. But that happened in this video. So moral of the story is, went out to Ben's, put all our arms on, that we got from Street Dreams, and we kind of fucked the filming because we're under a little time crunch. We're putting shit in backwards, we're FaceTiming Uncle Joel. Everything was going to shit, so we didn't film very well. But, we're going to start this off by putting those clips, what was good, no one's going to look through them, right now. Street Dreams by Platform Garage. So yeah, Street Dreams, Joel and Andrew started this company. They make a bunch of parts, really cheap prices. The prices are also in Canadian, so if you're in the US, you're going to get like 35% off. And even with that, the prices are way lower than any of like your Megan shit.
Super.
So yeah, the link's going to be in the description. We bought some arms. We bought
rear upper control arms, and we also got toe arms.
And some rack spacers.
Yeah.
They make like tension rods, coilovers, toe and camber arms, control arms, and more. For all these different chassis here.
Yep.
So yeah, really good parts, great price, great guys. Ben, what do you think of the purple?
That's really cool. Should we get a close-up of it?
Yeah, look at that. Street Dream stickers?
No doubt.
With every order.
Hey, look how much nicer these are.
Powder coated purple?
You don't have to like slam the coil over through, you can just put it on.
Plop it on the side.
Also, like, look at all this reinforcings. Shit's strong. The Heim joint.
Good welds, good welds.
It's all dank, man.
Racing right here, you know.
It's like buttons.
Yeah.
It's sick, dude.
Nice.
Uncle Joel really
Yeah, look at that.
whipping it up, eh?
Pause this if you want to read this. We're not going to read it because can't read.
Snipper, snapper, lead them to my hideout. Well, I have news for them.
Yeah, also we didn't really explain too much what we did. So we did Street Dreams rear toe arms, rear upper control arms. We have front LCAs that are extended an inch. And then we have rack spacers for that dank angle. What the fuck going on?
Yeah, and that's all we're doing.
That's pretty much all we're doing. And then just the wheelie downs here. And there's this nasty shit on these. I don't know. Alright, so after we put the wheels on, boys drove home at a 45-degree angle. Adam was rubbing, slamming the ground, you know, laying frame. I was fucking on the infinity skid. Adam went away for a week, didn't film anything. I went to platform, got in alignment so I could drive my car. Didn't film it. Today, went to platform, aligned Adam's car. Now we're both cruising straight. So, I'll play the clip from that. Street Dreams, take 66. Action.
Alright, so you guys are watching the boys put in some suspension arms earlier. This is our in-house brand, Street Dreams. It's a really, really good value. So it's what everybody out there is probably used to seeing, but it's offered in a really cool sort of flake purple powder coat, and then we've got an updated rear LCA that also allows for adjustment while it's in the car, not like the older style we had to remove them from the knuckle, adjust them, and then reinstall them. So they're they're updated. really functional, extremely good value. We've got coilovers on the way. And right now we're offering a full line of S chassis suspension arms, and then we've also got some E chassis for E36 and E46. We have angle kits for the front, and there's no rear angle kits. And we've also got rear camber arms available. You can check it out in the description. There's a link to our store, shop.platformgarage.com, and all this stuff's on there. All the pricing, I'm sure you'll see, is extremely reasonable, and the value again is exactly what you're used to. So. It's good stuff. Check it out.
Well, right on, Uncle Joel.
It's also in Canadian dollars.
Yeah.
We'll launch a pre-order, but we're doing 5 and 2 right away.
You guys are hearing it here first. You know, the inside scoop.
Hello. Yeah, best value arms on the market, and definitely the coolest color you've ever seen as well.
Yeah, they're fucking sparkly purple, man. That shit's sick as fuck.
If you have
It's hot right now.
like, think about this. If you have big wheels and therefore erectile dysfunction, these could help.
These could help, but I don't think those issues are synonymous. Or actually, I'm sure they're not.
I'm pretty sure they are. Pretty sure that's a side effect.
If you have small wheels, you might also not have much horsepower.
If you have 18 syndrome, then you may have a micrometer penis. Welcome to Joel's Club.
You read me like a book. You caught us, all of us.
Oh, president of the club here.
We must pay
Hello?
homage to
Hello?
heritage.
1 second. Yes?
So after Andrew worked his magic and we got him going down the road straighter than Elton John, we came back here. And now we're going to show you guys the wheels. Give you a little cine, maybe? What do you think?
No doubt. We'll jump into a big cine, man.
Yeah, so should we hop into the cine?
Yeah, right on.
Let's do it.
Oh, fuck.
I don't know, that's some fucking Casey Neistat. Fucking, what's that David Choate? Secret plans, don't lie. Should I try?
Yeah, give her.
Alright, well there you have it. Car's looking fucking sick. Got hella mods coming. We need some paint on these things. What do you think, Noah?
Yeah, no doubt. Real quick.
We need some sick engine swaps because we're not boosting. And yeah, also, Uncle Joel gave all you guys a coupon code for 10% off any of the Street Dreams arms. For 10% off any of the Street Dreams arms. Why is this such a fucking bitch to say? Yeah, they're already really good value, really high quality. We're running them. You should run them too. So yeah, 10% off. Use the coupon code all lowercase moist10 on his website. You're gonna get yourself the best arms at the best price.
So yeah, link in description for everything. His
Yeah.
YouTube channel as well.
Yeah, his YouTube channel. Noah's making some videos for him. They're looking real good. He has cool content. So many cool cars come in and out of his shop. So yeah, definitely check that out and like, subscribe to see what else we do to these cars. Maybe we'll get some more cars. I don't know.
Who knows, man?
Yeah, we'll get something special in the next container from Japan. Do some mods to that.
It's only the beginning, man.
But yeah, it's only the beginning. So comment, like, subscribe, show your friends, and otherwise, freak off.